Okay, hello, my name is Cherilyn Trilles, an OFW or Filipino worker here in Hong Kong. I've learned that one of the most crucial skills to develop is stress management, especially amidst the challenges we face. To help navigate these low times, I applied that of what I called it peace strategy. I believe that peace is a manifestation of calmness, and I always remind myself that a calm person is a wise person, inviting the wisdom that comes with peacefulness. So the first letter is letter P. P stands for pause. I take a moment to pause and reflect during the time I pray for calmness. So prayer is really helpful. This brief pause not only helps me regain my composure but also allows me to gather my thoughts and emotions before moving forward. So next letter is letter E. E stands for express. I express myself through journaling or self-talk. Writing in my journal helps me articulate my feelings and my thoughts, providing clarity. It is a safe space for me to explore of what I am expressing without judgment, because it's in my own journal. So next letter is letter A. So A stands for assess. Once I've calmed down, I assess the situation. I reflect on what triggered my stress and take time to validate my feelings without filtering them. Understanding the root cause helps me manage my emotions more effectively. So next letter is letter C. C stands for connect. It makes it a point to connect with friends and family, especially those I feel comfortable. Sharing my experiences and feelings with loved ones provide support and sense of belonging, which is vital for my well-being. Especially nowadays, we are very lucky that the innovation of technology, we have the very digital world now. So it is not a excuse not to connect. So the last part of our strategy is letter E, stands for engage. So as an OFW, I engage in various activities here in Hong Kong, such as participating pre-workshop or getting involved in the NGOs or non-government organization. These experiences not only enrich my skills but also help me build a sense of community and purpose, and it's really empowering for us to involve in these NGOs because it really gives an input to us that makes us resilient. So that's all for today. By implementing PEACE, P-E-A-C-E strategy, I find that I can navigate the challenges of being an OFW with greater resilience and calmness. It's a journey, but embracing this approach has made a significant difference in my life. Thank you!